Number 1 in our study guide asks us to complete the function rule for the piecewise function using the expressions below. Here, we're given 5 expressions to choose from and only 3 pieces of the graph. Go ahead and start by crossing off the very last section as our graph ends when x equals 8. So if we look at our 5 expressions, it looks like they're mostly in point-slope form. So the first thing that we should do is find the slope of the graph for this first piece, when x is between 0 and 2. So here on the graph that goes from this point to this point, we're looking for the slope of this section. So on our graph here, we go from 2 to the next point that nicely crosses the grid line, and we're going up 2 and over 1. Since our slope is rise over run, here our slope is going to equal 2 over 1, or just simply 2. If we look at our choices, there are 2 possible answers here. These 2 choices both have a slope of 2, but they have different y values when you plug in, for instance, x equals 0. Here, when x equals 0, we get 2 times 0, which is 0 for our y value. So we would have the point 0, 0. Here we get 2 times the quantity of 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 gives us 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. So we have the point 0, 2 using this expression. If we look at our graph, our first point is located at 0, 2. So the correct answer must be this equation. 2 times the quantity of x plus 1.